Am I the only one that didn't know robots are already changing the world? From factories to space, they're everywhere. Let's dive in and see how robots are transforming our lives. In factories, robots build cars, phones, and even toys. They are faster, more precise, and never get tired. Picture robotic arms assembling a car or packing goods in Amazon warehouses. That's robots in action for you. Robots are also saving lives in hospitals. Surgical robots assist doctors in complex operations. They even deliver medicines and disinfect rooms. Imagine the Da Vinci surgical robot performing surgery. Pretty cool, right? And guess what? Robots explore space where humans cannot go. NASA's robots help us study planets like Mars. Picture the Mars rover moving on Mars, or a robotic arm operating in space. Mind-blowing, isn't it? At home, robots can clean, cook, and entertain you. Smart home robots are becoming part of everyday life. Think Roomba vacuuming your floor or a smart assistant talking to you. And for fun, robots can play football, dance, and even act in movies. AI-powered robots are getting smarter every day. Imagine humanoid robots playing football or doing a backflip. The world is changing. AI and robots will do most of the work. Learning robotics today will prepare you for the future. Join Engineering for Innovative Kids and start your robotics journey today. Learn robotics, build the future.
Thank you for watching. Rocket the journey of robotics is just getting started. In the next video, we will test our knowledge with 10 exciting questions, coming up next week. Robot face light bulb, and that's not all. Direct hit after that, we will begin a series of video lectures and tutorials to help you take your first steps into the world of robotics. Stay tuned and get ready to explore innovation like never before. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. See you in the next video.